Hey, you guys, welcome to the Roaring 20s. Nice to see you guys back here. So, this year is going to be amazing, and this decade in general, we've got a new decade. It's going to be a lot of growth and a lot of motivation and a lot of power moves, as I like to say, from here. And so, what the main topic today will be about is goal setting and doing what you love. And comment down below. I'm going to be giving you guys two scenarios, and let me know which one you prefer to have. And so the two scenarios are, would you rather do something that you really love to do that pays not as well? Or would you rather do something that you dislike but pays really well? And so comment down below which one you prefer so we can get ideas going and get the conversation started up in the comments. And make sure to hit that like button and the subscribe and the bell right next to the subscribe below as well, so you can stay up to date about all the content that I put out. And you guys, been studying a ton of success, and the success leaves clues. And so based off of what I've been studying, it seems like the balance between these two is what brings about actually the most success in general. And so what I mean by that is finding a way to do something that pays you pretty well while you're starting up a side gig or your passion that you're passionate about has been shown to be able to get things going, because it helps financially just to inject a little money into things that you're passionate about to kind of get them going and start building that up. And so that helps out a lot. And you just got to be careful. There's like this trap that people get stuck into, which kind of holds people back from doing a lot of what they want to do. And that's this 7 to 4 trap, where you're working 7 to 4 and you get home and you're too tired to really do anything else that you like. And so you just put off doing what you're really passionate about. And so that pretty much doesn't help you progress where you want to do on the side, and you just get put in this rut ultimately that keeps going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and then no progression is made on the passionate or the hobby that you have that maybe you'll eventually be able to monetize and make some money from that as well. And before we get started with a lot of this, and so you guys, once we have something that we want to do, education is key here. So there's a ton of great information over on Google and a ton of great content on YouTube as well. Make sure to check all of that out. Most of the stuff is free. Make sure to check out the paid information as well. It's just as good, if not better. But just make sure you do your own due diligence before getting paid information. Just make sure it's coming from a trustworthy and knowledgeable source. And after you start to educate yourself, game plan time is on. So planning out the goal in a step-by-step manner is going to be able to break things down into a fashion where everything seems pretty simple and easy to do. And once things seem simpler and easier to do, instead of tackling this big and difficult idea or concept, then a lot of things start to open up for you, and you want to ultimately start tackling this more now, because it's like, oh, it's not this huge thing that I have to hurdle over. It's like, all right, I just have to take some steps little by little by little, accomplishing that. And so lastly, guys, before I wrap this up, I just want to touch up on one more key factor that, if not done, nothing will get accomplished, and it's consistency. If you aren't consistent in what you have developed through your game plan, you're not going to get anywhere, because we get all this huge energy and we do something, we launch something, but if we don't consistently work towards it and we don't do little by little by little, nothing's gonna get happened, nothing's gonna start. It's just a waste of your time ultimately. So break down a way to be consistent where we're doing this at a little portion at a time ultimately. Okay? And guys, thank you so much for watching till the end. I want to thank you guys, and kind of what this channel is about is just motivating you guys and promoting personal growth in a way that kind of makes things a lot simple and easy for you guys to understand and how to do these things. And so one of my main goals out of doing these videos is I want to become a motivational speaker or personal or political speaker as well. And so a lot of this is to help me connect with you guys. And so I would appreciate, kind of throw those comments down below that we talked about between those two options, so that way we kind of talk about it and we get the news going down in the comment section, and I'll be able to kind of go back and forth between ideas and maybe help you guys out with anything that you have on your mind. And make sure you hit that like and comment and subscribe button, all of it, so that way YouTube thinks, hey, you should go check out Eric's videos, they're pretty good. All right, so see you guys soon, and remember, consistency is key. See you guys soon, and make sure to check out all my other videos.